Good morning students. Today we will do exercise 9.2. Okay, find the product of the following pairs of monomials. Okay, we have to find the product of the following pairs of monomials. Like the first question is 4 comma 7p. Okay, both are monomials, we have to multiply them. So 4 into 7 is 28. Okay, the 28p is the answer. Minus 4p and 7p, so minus sign will come in front of the 28, and p into p, that is p to the power 2, p square. Okay, third one is the minus 4p and 7p cube. Here the answer will be minus 28 p square cube. Okay, the power will be increased when the same number of alphabets are multiplied. Okay, like p, a, b, c, d, these are all constants. When the constants will multiplied, the power will increase. Okay, like here in the fourth one, 4p cube multiplied by minus 3p, then the numbers are multiplied by numbers. 4 into minus 3, that is 12, minus 12, and p cube into p is e to the power 4. Okay, and for the fifth one, 4p into 0, anything multiplied by 0 is 0. So basically we have to do the multiplication in the first question. Second question is the area of rectangles. Find the area of rectangles. We are given with the length and breadth of these rectangles, and we know that the area of rectangle is length into breadth, that is the product of length and breadth. Here length is p and breadth is q, so what is the area? P into q, that is p cube. 10 m and 5 n length and breadth, so area will be 50 mn. Okay, 20x square 5y square, then 20 into 5, that is 100, into x square y square. 4x into 3x square, that is 12x cube, so area will be 12x cube. 3mn and 4np, area will be 12m n square p. Okay, n comes 2 times, so the power of the n increases from 1 to 2. Okay, 12mn square p. Now again question of products come here. In the question number 3, we have to complete the table of products. Okay, the table is given, we have to complete the tables. Okay, in the first one here 2x and 2x, so they are multiplied to get the 4x square. In the second one, and when we go from left to right, the second is minus 10xy. Okay, we have to just do the multiplication as we have do in the above questions, first and second, and write the answers in the table to complete this table. Okay, there are monomials given, we have to multiply them and make a single term. Okay, here 5 minus 5y is multiplied by all the numbers given in the vertical column. Okay, there is a horizontal columns and vertical columns, we have to multiply each of them and write their values in the respective brackets. Okay, so in this way complete the table by multiplication. Obtain the volume of rectangular boxes with the following length, breadth and height. So for any rectangular shape, the volume is given by the length into breadth into height. Formula for calculating the volume of any rectangular box: length into breadth into height. So three values are given here. In the first question, 5a, 3a square, 7a to the power 4. Then we will multiply them to get the volume of the rectangular box, that is 5a into 3a square into 7a to the power 4. So the volume will come as the 105 a to the power 7. Second question is 2p, 4q and 8r. The multiplied values 64 pqr. Third one is xy, 2x square y and 2xy square. The value comes will be the 4x to the power 4, y to the power 4. Okay, all the three terms are multiplied. You can see here three terms comes, then the power will increase, the power will add. Okay, x into x square into x, that is x to the power 4, y into y square, that is y to the power 4. Each of the powers get added when we will multiply the same constant. Okay, the powers will get added. Okay, a into 2b into 3c, here the numbers get multiplied. 2 into 3, that is 6, and abc, the three constants are different, so no increase in the power of any of the constant, all have the power 1, abc, that is 6 abc. Okay, in this way we will complete this exercise. And last question is question number 5. Obtain the product of this xy, yz and zx. So here also we'll add the powers of the same numbers, x into x into x, that is x square for 2x, y square for 2y, and z square for 2z. A into minus a square into a cube, so a is common, the power will get added, minus sign comes because there is only one minus sign. Okay, so with minus sign, a to the power 6. Okay, then 2, 4y, 8y square, 16y cube. Here the numbers get multiplied and the power get added of the y into y square into y cube, that is y to the power 6. In this way we will do this exercise. The last one is m into minus mn and mnp, so minus sign comes, and m to the power 3, n to the power 2, and p. Okay, so we have to do the product of this algebraic expressions. Okay, all the algebraic expressions we have to do the product. Okay, we will separately do the multiplication of the numbers and the constants. Okay, and find the multiplication. Thank you, have a nice day.